Have you ever felt like people just don't listen to you? You speak, but it's like your words disappear into the air. You repeat yourself, try to explain, but you're still not heard. Now compare that to someone who speaks and everyone leans in. Their words are clear, confident, and impactful. The difference, effective communication. And it's not just a talent, it's a learnable skill. Today I'm going to show you how to communicate clearly, confidently, and in a way that actually makes people stop and listen. If you've ever struggled to get your message across, this video is for you. Let's dive in. We've all had conversations where we feel misunderstood, ignored, or dismissed. And while we often blame the listener, the truth is the responsibility to connect lies with the speaker. Most people talk in long, confusing sentences that wander aimlessly. The brain tunes out when it has to work too hard to follow along. So, what's the fix? You must get to the point and use structure. You must always think in terms of, here's the idea, here's why it matters, and here's what you need to know. Clear communication is often simple communication. The way you say something can matter more than what you're saying. People listen to your tone, your body language, your energy. If you sound uncertain, mumble, or avoid eye contact, your message loses weight, even if it's brilliant. Clarity plus confidence equals commanding presence. Communication isn't a speech. It's a connection. If you want people to listen, you have to make it about them as much as it's about you. Use language that includes the listener. For instance, what I've seen work really well is, or. You might relate to this because when people feel seen and included, they tune in. Now let's get practical. Here are 5 powerful techniques to instantly level up your communication and get people to actually pay attention. Technique number 1, the power of the pause. Great speakers know that silence is as powerful as speech. A well-placed pause creates tension, clarity, and authority. Before delivering your main point, pause. Let it land. It signals importance and gives people time to process what you're saying. Fast talkers often lose impact. Slow down and own your space. Technique number 2, speak with structure. Our brains love patterns, and one of the most effective is the rule of 3. Deliver your message in 3 points, 3 examples, 3 steps. For example, here's the problem, here's why it matters, and here's what to do next. This structure helps people follow and remember what you're saying. Technique number 3, mirror their energy. If you want people to engage with you, match their communication style. It builds instant rapport and trust. When people feel like you get them, they become more open and engaged. Technique number 4, tell mini-stories. Facts tell, but stories sell. Even a 10-second story can bring your message to life and make it stick. People remember stories because they create emotion. Technique number 5, ask questions. Don't just speak, invite conversation. Questions make people think and feel included. The more you engage your listener, the more they'll listen and remember. Now it's time to take this from the screen to real life. Here's your challenge. In your next conversation, practice just one technique from this video. It could be pausing for effect, telling a short story, or simply structuring your point more clearly. Afterward, reflect. Did the person respond differently? Did you feel more heard? More respected? Communication is one of the most powerful tools you'll ever master. When you learn how to speak clearly with confidence and connection, people won't just hear you, they'll feel you. And the best part, you don't need to be the loudest voice in the room, just the most intentional. If you found value in this, hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone who wants to be a better communicator too. Thank you for your time, and see you soon.